Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Z-Star grill and air fryer combo. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. Now this guy goes up to 450 degrees. It is 1750 watts. Now if we look at the touch screen at the top, you see on the left you can adjust the temperature, on the right you can adjust the time, and we have several different modes. I love that we have one for just bacon. My favorite food absolutely should get its own button. That's amazing. If you don't like bacon, something ain't right. We have a roast button, we have the grill button, we have a vegetables button, we can preheat, dehydrate, which is really important, something that you don't get with a lot of these air fryer type appliances. And this is going to be a long duration and low temperature, so you may be around 150 degrees, but you can go up to 24 hours when doing the dehydrate mode, which is really cool. And then we also have an air crisp mode. Obviously the power button there, the start stop button, it will automatically turn off as you open the lid, and it'll give you a beep every few minutes depending on your setting to remind you to shake. So if you are using the air crisp mode and you're making fries, you have a little basket in here we'll take a look at in a second, and every few minutes you're going to want to stir them up or shake them to make sure you get nice and crispy all throughout and don't have some crispy fries and some mushy fries. So it does give you that little reminder. It'll beep and say shake right on the screen there. We also have this other little panel with some tips here, different types of meat and how long it should take to cook and what temperature. And it says 450 degrees is best for prepackaged frozen food. We have more tips over here. Now, if we open it up, yes, all nice. You have the heating element with the fan up at the top. It has a little splash guard there. And we got some of the parts and pieces. It comes with a pair of tongs. Can't beat that. We do get the user manual in here. We also get the little basket. So this is like what you would cook your fries in or something similar. But it pulls right out. Nice and easy to clean because all of these pieces come out. We have another little grill plate here. And this pan right at the bottom there. Now, of course, an air fryer like this, you can cook your full meal in it, but for me, this is all about reheating leftovers. Always have leftovers around here, and growing up, when I was a kid, what was the solution? You throw it in the microwave. Problem with the microwave is it turns everything into a mushy, soggy mess. No one has ever put something in the microwave and thought it came out tasting better than what it went in. It's just not a good appliance. It's convenient, but it doesn't, everything is bad that comes out of it. These air fryers and grills do an amazing job of warming up leftovers. Things come out nice and crispy, hot, and it's faster than just a normal toaster oven. But let's throw something in it and heat it up, see what we think. There's the beep. We're all preheated, ready to go. Now it's time to warm up my second favorite food, some pizza. Bam. Now since I'm watching my figure, we're only going to do 2 slices, but you can see we could easily fit a lot more than that on here. I'm going to go ahead and shut this guy right now. And for the pizza, we're going to go grill. And 400 degrees, the default setting is 6 minutes. That sounds good to me. In 6 minutes, we're going to have some nice, hot, crispy pizza. Oh yeah, look at that cheese bubbling. It's just bubbling. Ooh, pizza. Ding, pizza's done. Oh yeah, look at that pizza. Nice hot, fresh pizza. Look at that. Amazingly yummy pizza. Hot and crispy. What more could you ask for? And the best part, because all of these pieces just pull right out, super easy to clean, no hassle, no headache there. So there you have it, guys. The Z Star air fryer and grill combo. Thanks for watching.